Hello, good people. This is Sherry. I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful necklace. I got an order for some wood pieces that I sell in my Shopify store. And after I filled my order, I said, "Ooh, I'm going to make a necklace with these too." So I got busy. I make these 3-inch long wood beads for necklaces. They're in my Shopify store, and there will be a link for you to check them out. In the other photos, I show some ways that you can use these beads. I cut these beads on my Glowforge out of birch wood, and I have a hole in the middle of them. What I do is I glue the two sides together so that you have this hole for stringing. So that's what I'm doing here is I've already cut them and I'm gluing them together to make the bead. Once I get them assembled, I clamp them until the glue is dry, and then they're ready to clean up and package to go. And here's the hole. I printed my own tissue paper, and if you're interested in seeing how I do this, let me know and I'll make a video. I'm adding a piece of fabric as a gift to my customer. It's in the mailbox. And now I can play. I decided that I wanted to use one of my favorite new fabrics to wrap these beads and then make a necklace. So to wrap these beads, I cut 2 1-inch pieces of my fabric for each bead. I use white glue to attach my fabric to my wood pieces. Now that I have my main pieces, I can design and string them on a necklace. Here I'm using 12 gauge aluminum to just make a metal bead, an aluminum bead that I'm going to use as my centerpiece. I'm using leather cord, and I was having a hard time getting my cord to go all the way through my bead. So I made this little threader to help me get the cord through the bead. I know my hole was large enough, but because I have a curve in the bead, the leather was really not wanting to go around that curve. So I had to make this little wire thing to help pull the leather through my bead. After I figured that out, it was smooth sailing from that point. The round fabric beads I also made, I have another video showing how I made those. If you like what you've seen so far, I would love it if you give me a thumbs up on this video. It really helps the algorithm. And if you're new here, I'm Sherry, owner and designer for Sherika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. We provide jewelry supplies for handmade jewelry artists. So check out our Sherika Originals Shopify store. The bead is on upside down, so I have to switch it. I was looking for a crab claw to just put on this loop and be done with this necklace, but I couldn't find a crab claw, so I had to make a make a necklace closure. So this was an extra step that I didn't really want to do because I'm not the best at it. So don't, look to someone else for how to make these clasps and all that. But I'm getting the job done. And here's the finished closure. I love the way this turns out. I'm very, very happy with it. This fabric is just everything. I have another video where I make the round beads, and of course you saw me make the long beads. It's just something different. All right, good people. If you like this video, you know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment. This is Sherry. And as always, be blessed.